What if I told you a sneeze once led to thousands of people going to war? Buckle up! All right, folks, here's a wild one from history. Picture this. It's 1410, and Pope Alexander V is in a super important meeting. Suddenly he sneezes. Bless you, right? Wrong! The people in the room thought the Pope's sneeze was a divine blessing to start a war. Yep, you heard that right. A sneeze. And just like that, the Hussite Wars in Bohemia kicked off. Thousands of people ended up fighting over what was basically a sniffle. You can't make this stuff up. So next time you sneeze, be glad it's just allergies and not a war declaration. That's it. One sneeze, one war, bless you. And that's how the Pope's sneeze changed history. Who knew pollen could be so dramatic? Like, share and subscribe for more crazy history tidbits.